All right, let's get this out of the way. Your movie isn't bad because of your lighting budget. It's bad because you're using "I don't have good lights" and an excuse to not shoot anything kind of attitude. Today, we're going to be breaking down how to light cinematic scenes without dropping thousands of dollars on fancy gear. And yes, we're going to keep this simple. Stop thinking you need Hollywood toys to make your stuff look good. Every indie filmmaker starts broke. Some of the best looking shorts on YouTube were shot on one light, a window, and someone holding a pizza box as a bounce. If you understand light, you can make anything look good, period. Windows equals soft, cinematic lighting for free. Cloudy day, nature's giant diffuser. Golden hour, my favorite. Your best friend for making your film look expensive. If you're not scheduling your shoot around your light, you're making life harder than it has to be. You don't need $2,000 Aputures to make your shot pop. $30 LED lights panel off Amazon are a lifesaver and really all that anyone needs. Clip-on practical bulbs, instant mood lighting. $10 reflectors, aka aluminum foil stapled to cardboard. Practical lights like lamps, string lights, neon lights are cheap and they look good. By the way, if you're serious about filmmaking and want to skip a lot of the trial and error that I went through, I put everything I've learned into Freedom Filmmakers. It's our online film school for aspiring filmmakers. Simple, no BS lessons on writing, shooting, and actually getting better. You get lifetime access, full customer support, and honestly, you get me as a resource if you need advice or feedback, or just someone to point you in the right direction. Check out the link in the description below if you're interested, or if you just need someone for therapy. I got you for that too. Lighting is less about gear and more about control and skill. It's not about more lights, it's about shaping shadows. Turn lights off, move them, block them, direct them. One light and a bounce is greater than 5 badly placed lights every time. If you learn how to control light, you'll make better looking films than filmmakers with $10,000 rigs and no clue what they're doing. So stop crying and start filming. You don't need permission, and you definitely don't need Hollywood's budget, because Hollywood sucks now anyway. And I'll see you guys in the next one.